this is Simran and welcome back to Food Utopia. Since the American Independence Day is just around the corner, we will be making July 4th themed fruit popsicles. Each popsicle has 3 layers that is made of a yummy fruit. And this is a perfect recipe for the summer because it is pretty hot outside. So without further ado, let's get cooking. For the first layer, we will need a red fruit. So we are going to be using the strawberry flavor. We will need 1 cup of strawberries that are halved, 1 teaspoon of lemon or lime juice, half a tablespoon of honey, and 1 medium strawberry that is finely chopped. This is optional, but it just adds in some more texture. You will take a blender and you will add in the halved strawberries, the lemon or lime juice, and the honey. And then you will blend all of these together. Then you will take a popsicle mold, and to each mold you will add in a little bit of the finely chopped strawberries. After you add in the chopped strawberries to each mold, you will pour in some of the strawberry mixture that we made. Then you will freeze this layer for 35 to 40 minutes. For the second layer, we will be using a lemon or lime flavor. To make this layer, we will need 1/4 cup of water, 1/4 cup of Sprite, and half of a lemon or lime that is squeezed. To make this layer, you will take a small bowl and pour in the lemon or lime juice, Sprite, and the water. You will whisk these together. Once the strawberry layer is slightly frozen, you will pour in the second lemon layer. Then you will freeze this layer for around 35 to 40 more minutes. For the last blue layer, we will use a blueberry flavor. To make this layer, we will need 1 cup of blueberries and half a tablespoon of honey. We will blend together some blueberries and the honey. Once the second layer is a bit frozen, you will pour in the last blueberry layer. Then you will put on the lid of the popsicle mold and you will freeze these popsicles for around 5 to 6 hours or overnight. I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. Tell me how you liked it in the comments below. If you would like the full recipe, it will be down in the description box. Also, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and ring the bell icon to get updates on all of my new videos. Make sure to follow my Instagram account. Have a great Independence Day and see you in the next video.